Hi guys, welcome to Jgash YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a kitchen set out of a cardboard with my son Jgash.
Audio Hub.
Don't touch. Why hot? Don't want. So the stove is done. Now we're going to start painting. So now we are going to do a spade, spoon and a knife, a plate, most probably a pot. I'm going to glue the spoon, plate and spade. D. Okay. Okay. And the spoon. Okay. So just push it inside like this and stick. So it will look like a spoon. Okay. Next, the spade. Some glue. Okay. See? Pot is done. Plate is done. Knife is done. Spoon is done. Spade is done. Stove. Pot. Knife, spoon, spade. Okay, put the pot on top of the stove. Put the fish. Cooking.
Audio Hub.
Yum 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 yum. Thank you for watching Jgash YouTube channel. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Audio Hub.